This is the Smart Woodshop, and it's time for a bit of a tune-up. A few tools have changed. A couple of the larger saws have gone away. Two of them that use these cradles, so these cradles can go away. I've got more space down here, so tools that were up here can now go in here, all of them. I have a lot of backstocking materials that I haven't used in years, and so I think it's time to get rid of them, donate them to Goodwill. If you'd like to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart wood shop, a smart station, a smart workbench, or any of the accessories that work with the system, there's a link in the description of this video down below. I think this smart wood shop is about 5 years old, so it is time to kind of go through and clean it up a bit. This is new over just the past couple of weeks. I've had my framing squares here from the beginning, but I had some other squares that just didn't work well there, so I threw them in a drawer. And I had this space, and I'm always grabbing these tools from TSO here are kind of mainstay go-to that I use all the time. So it's nice to be in the shop and then look over and just come and grab what I need. And they're not locked down or anything, you know, that's my motive, no tying things down. So I can just, you know, grab what I need. It's not going to fall off in transit. They were just in the drawer here before, so they weren't too bad, but I do like them there. I do have my other TSO, my parallel guides, and I have 3 different sizes of these all set up to use. And they're fine in there, and they'll probably end up staying there, but I was thinking, boy, it'd be nice to come up with some place that they would be in my line of sight and easy to grab, or at least maybe the 30-inch ones, because I use those most of the time. If you have any interest in an updated woodshop tour, I've done a couple of them already that are really detailed, but if after I get it kind of reorganized and updated, if you're interested in seeing that, I'll be happy to shoot another video. It might be interesting to look at the first shop tour, and then if I do another one after I've updated things, to see how much has changed, and to also, the whole concept of the smart wood shop is that it's non-specific. Every tool has a place that the tool fits, that it stays without being locked down, they don't fall out in transit, but I'm able to adjust things without tearing things down and remodeling as my tools change. And looking around in here now, there's a lot more yellow than there was when I built this. Being able to pull a couple of screws and move these around to make these cubbies whatever size I need. And also, since all of the drawers will fit in all of the cabinets, part of the design, so anything from here will fit over there, anything from there will fit over there. So I'm able to reorganize that without tearing apart every drawer. Mahalo.